How's it going, everybody? It's Samuel from OTB Discs. Today I'll be doing a review on the Lone Howl II. We have a Lone Howl to compare it with. It's Colten Montgomery's signature series disc, so we're excited about that getting released. Yeah, let's see how it flies. Alright, so here's my take on the Lone Howl II. It's definitely more overstable than the Lone Howl. Where the Lone Howl was like a straighter version of a PD, I think this will end up being more of a PD version of a PD. So it very trustworthy, very trusty. You can put that on an angle and you know it's going to hyzer back for you.